Hello students, are you curious about memorizing words? Maybe 10 words, 20 words or even 50 words. How will you memorize them? Wait a minute, we have a boot camp for you where we will be learning about memorizing words, focusing on the tasks and increasing our brain power by the activities. We will be having colorful activities, left and right brain trainings and memorizing techniques for you. So, not only that, we will also be discussing about mental math program for you where we will become a human calculator. Throw away your old calculators. You will become a calculator. I will show you one sample. So can you ask me some questions?
What's 45 into 45?
2025.
123 into 11.
1353.
103 into 102.
10506.
That's great.
Likewise, you will be calculating these kinds of numbers by only using your brain. No need to have a pen and paper to do these kinds of calculations, and trust me, math will be your fun subject after the end of this bootcamp. Thank you very much. We'll see you there.